Hello Macaulay. Welcome to our channel. Today nama Renault Kwid Auto Review Pakalam. First engine and transmission Patha Pakalam. Engine type Pathing and a petrol engine. Engine displacement 999 cubic centimeters, fuel type petrol. Max power output Pathing and around 67 bhp at 5500 rpm. Max torque 91 Nm at 4250 rpm. Emission norm Pathing and a BS6. No of cylinders 3. Transmission manual and automatic kuda thurakanga. Gearbox 5 speed. Drive type FWD. Paddle. Shift not available in KWID. Next performance and fuel economy Patha Pakalam. Mileage, array, 21.74 kmpl 0 to 100 kmph 16 seconds. Next brakes, steering, suspension and tires Patha Pakalam. Suspension front McPherson strut with lower transverse link. Suspension rear twist beam suspension with coil spring. Brakes front disc. Brakes rear drum. Steering type electric kuda thurakanga. Minimum turning. Radius 4.9 meters. Tire size Pathing and a 165/70 R14. Wheel size 14. Tire type tubeless radial. Next interior dimensions Pakalam. Seating capacity 5. Doors 5. Boot space 279 liters. Fuel capacity 28 liters. Next variants and price tag Patha Pakalam. 1.0 RXL variant Pathing and around 4.49 rupees lakh. 1.0 Neotech variant Pathing and around 4.58 rupees lakh. 1.0 RXT op variant Pathing and around Rs. 4.86 lakh. Climber 1.0 MT op variant Pathing and around 5.08 rupees lakh. Next walk around view Pakalam. Next interior view Pakalam. This is Vinu Chakravarti signing off. Thank you. Save trees, save motoring.